Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the highly requested Onesie skin in Fortnite. And thanks for all your suggestions on what to draw next. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and to begin we're gonna start out with her eyelids first. So this is gonna be a top of her eye. So this is gonna be one curve like this, and same thing on the other side. Okay, and then once you have the top curve, we're gonna draw the bottom one. So the bottom one, we're gonna start from the corner, just come across, and then just curve back up. Come across, and then just curve up to the corners. And then let's draw in the eyeball. So the eyeball is just gonna be a big semicircle inside. Then I'm gonna draw in just two little circles, and then I'm gonna shade around it just to leave some highlights. Okay, so those are her eyes, and let's move on to her nose. So it's really easy, we'll keep it simple. Just come down the middle, just gonna make a little mark. And then for her mouth, I'm just gonna kind of tilt it up a little bit to give her a little bit of smile. And then on the corner of her mouth, just add two little lines like that. And then for the lower lip, we're just gonna draw in one little line. Alright, so once you have this, we're gonna fill in the rest of her face. So just come out to the side here. It's gonna be a little bit longer. Let's come down all the way to around this area on the mouth. And then once you're there, we're just gonna turn it inwards, finish up her chin. Alright, so now we can draw in the top of her face. So before we draw in the eyebrows, we need to draw in some of the strands of her hair. So just come down the middle here. We're just gonna make one big strand coming down like this first. And once you have that one, we're just gonna connect the ones to the side. Just gonna curve it. Alright, and then now we can draw in her eyebrows. So right above, just gonna draw a line. It's gonna be right behind the hair. Just give it some thickness, and whatever you have here, just draw a line above the eye. Same thing, just give it a little bit of thickness. Okay, so that's pretty much the face. So now let's come out and draw in the little hoodie. So just come out and draw, and then we're gonna go up. Just slightly curve around all the hair strands. And in the middle, we're just gonna close this off. Just come down to the center with a straight line. Okay, so that's the inside. Now we're gonna draw on the outside. So just kind of draw the same thing and come down. And it could be a little bit wavy because it's supposed to be cloth. And then on the bottom here, we're just gonna go back to the center again. And then on the top, we're gonna go up, same kind of dome shape. And then let's see, let's finish up the hair inside first. So in here, now that we've drawn the hoodie, just kind of come down on the side here. Just curve it back up. So this is just gonna be a strand of hair. And then for her neck, just draw two little curves. Okay, and then now we can draw in those eyes on the top. So this one's just gonna be, just start here, just draw like almost a full circle, but behind the hoodie. And then the eyeballs, just kinda, this is easy. Just on this one, just draw like a little oval because it's on the edge more. Okay, so that's pretty much the head. So let's move on to her body. And so we're gonna start here, right around the neck area. Just gonna come out slightly. Then we're gonna come straight down. That's gonna be an armpit area. And now we're gonna curve it in all the way down to the waist. Okay, and then for the chest area, we're gonna go back to the armpit. Just gonna draw a curve coming in. Okay, and then for the strap, so start here, come down and just curve out. come down and just curve out. And then let's draw in, all right, let's draw in a little zipper here in the middle. So this one's easy. Just gonna draw 2 lines coming straight down, past the waist. Close that out. And then let's go ahead and draw in her arms now. So for this one, she's gonna have her arm on the side. So we're gonna start here actually. Just come down. Okay, draw a little shape like this. This is gonna be a fist. Then for the glove, we just add 1 section here. Okay, so now we're gonna draw the top. So come back up here. Here's the armpit. Here's the shoulder. And this one's gonna go out more. So we're gonna slant out. And then once you slant it out, now we draw the lower arm. We start here, just curve into the fist. All right, and then for the back side, we're just gonna follow that. Go all the way out here for elbow. Same thing, just curve into the fist. Okay, so now let's see, let's draw in the other one, and this one's gonna be to the side. So here's the armpit, shoulder, and for the biceps, it's gonna be a little bit skinnier, so just kind of almost like a straight line. Lower arm, we're gonna flare out slightly, curve, and then this one's gonna be almost straight. Close it off with a slight angle, and let's just give it one, just extend it, one little section. And then for a fist, we'll keep it simple. Just a little hook, back of the fist, close it. All right, so very simple top. There's not a lot of details. So now let's move on to her legs. So for her legs, we're gonna come down here in the middle, past her hand over here, come down, draw a little line. And now we're gonna continue with this curve here. We're gonna go down. This is gonna be her thigh. Inside, curve, same thing. And then for her knee, just a slight bracket. Okay, so let's draw on the other side, and she's got a little bit of armor here. So we're gonna start up here. So it's gonna be the same curve as the other one. Just go all the way down to her knee. It's a little bit different, she's got some armor. And then we'll just close that off. And her armor is actually kind of weird over there. Let's go ahead and finish up this leg first, and then we'll draw the armors on the other one. So for this one, it's kind of bunched up here. So we're gonna go out, come back in, and then we're gonna go out again. And then one more, just come in and close it. Okay, and then we're gonna see her leg in here, her socks. Just one little, this could be almost like a square. And then now for shoe, just kind of big dome shape, come out more on this side. Close it off. One little section, and then for the eyeballs here, just gonna draw one here, circle. And then on this one on the back, just a little dome shape, so it's behind there. And then we can add in the little dot again. Okay, so then now let's draw the other side. So this one's a little bit different. So this one's gonna come straight down. Just gonna draw a rectangle first. And then for the bottom here, it's gonna be the same as this. So we're gonna flare out, just come back in, just right around the same area, close it off. And then same thing here, it's almost like a square. And then for a shoe, it's gonna be the same, dome shape, coming down, come on more on this side, and then close it off. And then same thing here, one circle. And then for this one, just come out to the side. It's like a dome shape, and then a little eye. And then for her armor here, it's really weird. Just come back up here and draw like a little angle like this. And then we put in a line there. Yeah, I can't really make sense of her armor there. And then there's gonna be one strap. Okay, so it's very strange. And then lastly, if you want to put in some of those shapes, I'm gonna use a thinner Sharpie here so I don't muddy this thing up. So it looks like it's just a bunch of burgers and fries. So I'm just gonna draw in, let's say this is a burger, and then the fries would just be like a little stick. And then I'll keep it simple. I won't draw too many. So you can draw a little bit bigger so you don't have to draw as much. Let's see, fries here. Burger. Yeah, so these are smaller details. And one more fries. And that is it for this onesie skin in Fortnite. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.